Hey there, have you ever read or spoken English like this? Once, when I was 6 years old, I saw a beautiful picture in a book about a primeval forest called True Stories. What makes it sound cringe, by the way? Look, grammar is good and pronunciation is actually good. The thing is, you sound dead. That's the real problem with most English learners. Hey everyone, this is Shawn English here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to fix that dead person speech. It comes with 5 parts. Together, they spell like human. So let's kick off our video with the first letter, shall we? Now, H is for human rhythm. Oh my god, it really pins down the immediate impact here. Stresses, rises, falls, and pauses, or something like that, are indispensable. If you take a look at what I'm saying right now, you'll probably realize that I'm applying all these 3 or 4 devices in a mixed way. As for how to pick up these rhythms, it's pretty simple. Do you know what other things in the world include rhythm? Songs. Have you ever learned how to sing a song? That's how you can pick up rhythm in English. First of all, stop reading first. When you learn a new line, don't look at the words. Listen to it like music. Where the voice goes up, where it drops, where it pauses. And second of all, hum before you speak. Just like singing, try humming the sentence once before saying the words. Number 3, shadow short lines, not long paragraphs. By the way, I'm going to give you my favorite resources for picking up these living human English later in this video. Stay tuned. The second letter is U, which means using speech tools. And what I'm talking about here are filler words. Real speeches always just roll with the punches. I have a practical tip for getting comfortable with filler words. You see, everyone has their own way and habits of using these words, so just try not to remember all of these from a compact list. Instead, pick some of these and try to put them in different parts of your speech. Just have a go. Learn how to use these filler words, but don't abuse them. Abusing filler words is not acceptable, even for native speakers.
Want it to lie like flat and open on the table. And if you like open pages, you want them to be able to lay like this, whatever. You definitely want to be able to rip pages out. I'm a big believer of
Now let's move on to M. M stands for meaning and image. This is where most learners go wrong. They collect words, but they never collect images. For example, I have a very small notebook, vocab notebook, that I kept back in the days in school. There's a phrase, steal your thunder. Okay, 抢风头. I can remember that it was a phrase that I got from one of the episodes of the TV series Friends.
And I didn't want to say anything because it's your day. I didn't want to steal your thunder.
Here I would like to recommend some of the places that I think are very good for picking up sound, like living English. Number 1, reality TV shows. I mean, who doesn't like The Tonight Show starring Jeremy Fallon? Number 2, YouTube vlogs. They're some of my favorites, by the way. Number 3, podcast openings. Have been tuning in with Emma Chamberlain. Every opening feels gorgeous. There's also an episode that I've been tuning in for quite some time, which is called Life Kit by NPR. There's a letter reading session.
She often says things that are hurtful or judgmental. One time, she told me,
Dear Life Kit, my best friend is backdating his abusive ex-boyfriend. He is physically, mentally, and emotionally abusive towards her. Signed, Forlorn Bestie. Once words carry emotion in your head, the next step is forcing them out of your mouth. Next up is A, which means active using. Okay, hear me out. Next time when someone asks you a phrase, you tell them not just what it means, but where you got it. You literally just match the image that you pick up, then try to recall and use that phrase in that scenario. Sometimes I push myself to become a drama queen or a drama king. Tried rendering the same phrase with different emotions. Well, that's funny. Well, that's funny. Well, that's funny. Funny. That's interesting. That's interesting. Oh, that's interesting. 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 But even after all this, there's still one thing that matters more than all the techniques I have shared by far. Finally, N, which stands for natural context vocabulary. Most people don't sound dead because they're bad at English. They sound dead because they are talking about things that they are not interested in, things that they don't care about, things that they are forced to talk about. So I have to say that the big word here is context, something that is relevant to your life. From looking at others as well as myself, I've noticed that people sound alive naturally when they talk about things that they generally care about. Their eyes just unleash that kind of sparkling twinkle, 就是眼里有光那种感觉. That reminds me of a old story. I used to teach a very quiet person, a quiet student. Almost silent that boy was, but I didn't force repetition. I didn't push that kind of drills. I don't do something like just read after me, read after me. I just tried to talk about something that he cared about. At the end of the day, I believed that there was something that people just like. He is one of the top student. Well, he is the top student of English in his class, not because of talent, because of context. So hey, this is the end of the video. Let's wrap up this video a little bit. If you want to stop sounding dead, remember these human thing. So yeah, this is Shawn English here. Remember, we don't chase perfection here, we chase life. Happy learning and see you next time.